3 hacks to maximize your experience and budget as soon as you arrive in Bangkok. First, cheapest food in Suvarnabhumi Airport. Super affordable food court in Bangkok Airport? Yes na yes. Eat for as low as 50 Thai baht. So yun na nga, since mahilig talaga kami kumain ni Leo, I really want to taste Thailand food agad-agad as soon as we have Thai baht. I know that when it comes to airport food, yung first impression natin is expensive talaga. But guess what? Ibahin yung sa Suvarnabhumi Airport, ang Bangkok Airport. They have this food court in basement floor next to Gate 8 na mura ang mga food. Maraming choices ng Thai food na mabubusog ka talaga since maganda din, okay din yung serving nila ng food. Yung first meal namin dito, we just spent less than 200 Thai baht. So, less than 300 pesos for our dinner, including our drinks. So, dito din kami kumain bago mag-board sa plane pabalik ng Manila. So, yan yung kinain namin nung pabalik na kami ng Manila. Siguro mga 300 Thai baht. And then, ito yung kinain namin nung first day. Second tip, convert your money in Happy Rich. If you opted to bring cash or peso, then convert it to Thai baht, I suggest you look for Happy Rich Currency Exchange Service. This is located in King Power Suvarnabhumi Airport. So within the airport. Much better yung exchange rate dito as compared to others. And last tip that I will share to you is to book your transportation in Bolt. Yes, you heard it right. Yung entire stay namin dito sa Bangkok, we didn't ride BTS dahil malayo yung nabook namin na hotel sa mga train stations. Pero malapit kami sa mga mall. Focus ako sa shopping goals. Pero nakatipid pa rin kami dahil ang laki ng price difference ng Bolt versus Grab. Sometimes almost 100 to 200 Thai baht yung price difference when we compare. Ang babait pa ng mga Thai drivers, take note. Sa Bolt app, around 300 Thai baht yung rate namin from Suvarnabhumi Airport to our hotel. Pero gusto pa ng driver na bigyan kami ng 20 Thai baht discount dahil sa longer route niya kami na idaan. But instead, we pay him 350 Thai baht, which he appreciated so much. Sayang na uninstall na ni Habi yung Bolt app kaya di ko ma-shoutout si Kuya dito. So there, if you're planning to go in Bangkok, I hope that this tip helped you. Bye!